How to fix phone experience host error on Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix phone experience host.exe error on your Windows. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you'll need to open up your task manager. For that, right click on your taskbar and open up task manager. And this is what it should look like. Now, right here, you will need to find an option or a process called phone. For your phone link or simply your phone, you can find it here. You can search for, just tap on P after you select anything here. After you tap on P, it should redirect you to that very process. Now, after you find it, all you then need to do is right click on it and simply end the task. Now, if you see a disable button, you can tap on the disable button as well. After you do that, you will have disabled your phone link, which will simply fix the error. After that, all you then need to do is restart your phone link and your problem should get fixed. And that's how you fix your phone experience host.exe error, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and also don't forget to subscribe to App Hacks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.